Okay, y'all, this is my new phone that came today. Let's see here. They got me the USB charger. Let's see. Take this off. Okay, I got a whole bunch of these though. Let's see what else came with it. I got this from eBay, not GameStop and shit. Let's see. Is there anything else? Are you happy? I will be when it can cut on. Real Idea Mobile. Are you not happy? We will see in a minute. It is bubble wrapped deep. I wonder how did they make this thing to the bubble wrap deep. Okay, I gotta pause because I got to use the knife. Okay, I got it open, so let's see. Ooh, it is really stuck in bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Let's see it. Ooh, this phone is big. Let's see. Where is the crack? There's a crack in this phone. You see? Let me see if I can put it in the light. It's a crack right there, but you don't see it real good. That's why I got this phone for a cheap price. T-Mobile. Look at that. Let's see, did I get my S Pen? Oh, I got the S Pen. I got the S Pen. Let's see. I know my nails. My big nail has not been cut. Got the S Pen. Is it looking good? Yeah. Okay, let's put the S Pen back in there. Now. Ooh. Yes, I have an Apple Watch. I know that's weird to have an Apple Watch, iPhone, and not. I don't use my iPhone no more. So I know I'm about to smear this son of a bitch up. Paid $3.99 for this phone. So let's see, where's the power button on this? There we go. Hold on, yeah, I gotta pause something. Okay, there we go. T-Mobile. Ooh, look at it. It says double tap. It says double tap. Okay, it's 7:30 there. So this came from Florida. Like I said, I bought it for $3.99. It feels good. No, I know it smears on it, but let me see. Got a lot of smears, little. Let's see. Can it be rubbed? Yeah, it's just a little bit. Now, the reason why, like I said, is there's a crack in the corner, right? Let me see if I can get in a good light. You might can see it, but there is a crack in this phone. In the corner, right there. You see where I got it? That is where a crack is. I don't see no more cracks or nothing in this phone and stuff. I gotta put my SIM card and see how it works and everything and stuff. Got a phone jack. Now, let me break this down why I bought this. Once some people, I had an angry week, so I was like, I bought me something to calm me down. So I bought this because I needed to get a new phone anyway. So I bought the Note 9. I saw the Note 10. Now, I'm going to tell y'all something first. This phone, yes, it does have a crack, but remember, it's right here. The crack is right there. Now, if you imagine the new Note 10 and that cracks, and remember now, that's a full screen now. That's a full screen. That, I think, will hurt more in value than this does. This is, like I said, I went to T-Mobile a couple of days ago, a couple of days ago, and asked them, well, do you have a Note 9 new that's like $900? Paid for this one for $399, just with a little crack in it. I saw another one on eBay for $379 with a crack, but that crack was like right there. Let me show you. Right around here, close to the top. This one just has a crack right here because I thought this crack would hit this dot right here, but it doesn't. So, is it worth me buying this? Yes. I needed a new phone. I'm using my LG G6 phone right now making this video. I had my iPhone, but I cracked it and stuff. And it was the iPhone 6S Plus. I know people have seen that one. But it was time for a bigger phone. I need a bigger screen. So I got this. I was searching on eBay and I just ran into this one. So now I got to break down, put the SIM card in, and see if it works. It does. It's clean. It says the ESN is clean and everything on it. So, you know, and gave me the charger and the S Pen. This is not bad. Not bad at all. And they gave me the charger. I'm going to try to find a wall charger for it. And, you know, because this will just end up being charged off of my MacBook or something. But, yeah, woo, this is a big phone. Look at my little hands. I have little hands. And look at this. And I want to break some more stuff down about this. When this Note 9 came out, I said that some people won't need to really change phones until, I say, 2021. And it still says, I'm still saying that same thing. Because I know this will just get the newest Android update. And then that's it. I don't know if how many updates they'll let this Note 9 go into, but, you know, I might buy a case for this because this is, whoa. And stuff. So if anybody know a good, nice case, maybe a clear one or just something to cover around the edges, tell me. Leave a message, leave a comment and stuff. I see the fingerprint scanner here. I gotta do a lot of work on this thing and stuff. Let me see. Is there any? See, I'm rubbing to see if everything can be rubbed out. Man, nice freaking phone. So, let me take a test drive of it. Yeah, it's Saturday, but oh, this is a 128 gigabyte Note 730. It's 734 in Florida because this phone came from Florida and stuff. So, ooh, look at that screen. It look pretty. They must have reset this phone. Let's see what it say. Only for emergency calls only. So, let me go on and get to work on it.